In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Miro board. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to get your board from the screen onto paper without anything important getting cut off or blurry. Start by signing in to your Miro account and opening the board you want to print. Make sure you have the right access to view and export the content. If your board is large, take a moment to zoom to the area you care about so you have a clear idea of what you're sending to print. Here's the key idea. Miro boards won't print directly from the browser the way a regular document does. Instead, you'll export the board as a PDF or an image file, then print that file using your computer's standard print dialog. This approach preserves layout and gives you better control over size, orientation, and quality. With your board open, look to the top left toolbar and click the three dots, the More Options icon. From there, choose Board to open the export options. This brings up all the tools you need to prepare a clean, printable version. Next, pick Save as Image or Save as PDF. PDF is usually best for multi-page layouts and crisp text, especially if you plan to print at larger sizes, while an image file can be handy for quick, single-page prints. Before exporting, review the settings. Adjust the scale or resolution so fine details remain readable. Choose whether to export the entire board or just the current view, depending on what you need on paper. If your board is wide, consider selecting landscape orientation in the export options if available, or keep note to set landscape later when you print. When everything looks right, click export and let the file download. Large boards may take a moment, so don't worry if it needs a bit of time. Once the file is saved, open it using your preferred PDF reader or image viewer. Go to File, then Print. Select your printer, choose the correct paper size, and set color or black and white based on your needs. Use orientation to match your board's layout, often landscape for wide boards. In scaling, fit or shrink to fit helps avoid cropping. If the preview looks too small, cancel and export again at a higher scale. For PDFs with multiple pages, set the page range so you print only what you need. Always check the print preview to confirm nothing is cut off. That's it. Export from Miro, open the file, and print with the settings that suit your layout. Follow these steps and you'll get a clean, accurate print every time.